Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm just gonna show you guys how to cook pap in Namibia. How to cook pap? Yes, this is the pot that was already used to cook pap, and shortly we're gonna prepare another portion of pap. And this is our traditional. I showed you guys this in another video that we're cooking cow feet with my mom, and today we are preparing pap. And this is how we ban or how we cook in the village. Yeah, village chronicles, live in the village. Yep. So shortly we're gonna show you guys the steps of cooking pap. Pap is like porridge. Some people call it fufu, ugali, in all those countries that I've heard about. In Namibia we call it oshithima, 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 oshithima. Yep. There you have it. I hope you'll enjoy this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. And this is just life in the village, yeah. So the first step, what you do is you put the water on the fire in the pot, of course, and then you get your cooking flour. Is it cooking flour? Is it cooking flour, guys? I don't even know. But the cooking flour that you use for the porridge, you just put a little bit. You can first put in a jar and add and stir, and then you add to the warm water that is already on the fire. And after that, you stir and stir until there's no lumps. There should not be any lumps, and just stir, keep on stirring until this mixture starts boiling, hey? And once the mixture starts boiling, yeah, when it starts boiling and gets a little bit thicker, you could make this slightly thicker so that when you add all the flour to cook the final porridge stage, it will be nice and smooth, hey? Yeah, so now I'm just gonna stir for a bit, stir until it boils. I can even cover the pot just to let it rest and burn. So I'm doing this myself. Oh, actually my friend she was supposed to be here doing it, but she went away to do something, and then I'm just doing it. So it's gonna boil for a little bit, and then I'll add more flour into it, and then the pap will start getting thicker and thicker. It's porridge, yeah. Oshithima shawambo, yeah. It's oshithima. So it will start cooking, boiling, just get thicker. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna wait. Guys, now the pot is boiling. It's boiling and it's almost boiling down, and I don't know. My friend was supposed to come back and cook quickly, but I don't know. I will just keep on stirring until she comes back. I hope it doesn't boil on the ground. Oh my god, the fire is so hot. So hot. That made me so dark.
Please cook it nice for Walter. Please don't make it too thick. No, it's too thick. That's too much. Oh my god. I swear I will kill you. I don't have time. You didn't know. You're right.
Hallelujah. It's a hard job. Oh boy. Exercise. Okay.
Tira kwa chini, another tira kan kuta.
Nanda stop at ini. Little by little.
Little by little. Basi hapo mbele. Tunakuta vile. Hadi akangu na mane. Oh.